In this, the final section of our overview, we shall discuss important aspects regarding the safe use and care of electrical test equipment. When working on live equipment, especially above 32 volts, it is essential that you obey all safety rules that you were taught during your safety induction program. Always switch off and isolate equipment such as motors, transformers, and other consumers before making test lead connections. Never use an ohmmeter or a multimeter set on the ohms position when the circuit is live. Always isolate circuits and discharge any capacitors before connecting the ohm meter. This will avoid serious meter damage and possible electric shock. Always read the meter's operating instructions, especially if the meter is new to you. Never use high voltage meters, such as megameters, in explosive environments, as they could create a spark and set off an explosion. Protect all test instruments from damaging elements such as moisture, dirt, oil, corrosive vapors or liquids, excessive heat, excessive cold, vibration, and high inductive electrical magnetic fields. Check the instrument's battery condition where applicable. Renew flat or corroded batteries. Consult the operating manual for battery test and replacement instructions. Wherever possible, store test instruments in their protective cases or in a cupboard, making sure that they remain clean, dry, and always ready for use when they're needed. This concludes the overview program. Please read the notes that accompany this module. You can learn more about electrical test instruments by viewing other programs in this series.